Hi, Andrew. Dear, can you show us how can I install TigerWings Enterprise?
Of course, dear Emma. To install TigerWings Enterprise, we should have two things. The first one, you should have a license key, and the second one, you should have the dealer username and password. After you prepare them, we can start. After you download the setup files and extract them, you can go to the setup file with a right-click Run as administrator. The setup wizard will start. The first step in wizard, select the setup language, then Next. In the second step, the wizard, we ask you for the license key. You can copy it from a license order and paste it here. Then Next. In this step, select the installation directory, then Next. Then the wizard will show you some default values for the web browser. In the password field, you can insert your Windows password. Then Next. Next again. In this step, the wizard will ask you the dealer username and password. Then Next. After you control the setup data, you can press Next. Next again. In this step, the wizard shows you the connection information to the license server. Leave it as it and press Next. Then the installation will start. Let us wait some time till finished. In this step, we see the service is installed. Press OK. As a last step, press Finished. After the installation is finished, 3 icons will shown on the desktop. We will talk about them in the next video.
Thanks, dear Andrew.